Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are proceeding the other next part of the story, which is entitled A Thief Story, which was written by Ruskin Bond. So in this story we have seen there are two characters. First is thief, the narrator himself, and he named himself Hari Singh when he met a lean fellow person who was in his 20 who was 25 years old, and the name of that person is Anil. So he get acquainted with that person and he even got a job at the room of Anil, and he used to cook meal for him, and every day he used to manage to take a profit of 1 rupees whenever he wants to buy a daily supplies, right? And this is how he makes money. Anil didn't pay him, but he just fed him. So that's the thing. And one day, over a month period has been passed, and the thief was now anxious. Now he was a bit nervous that I haven't steal anything. And at one day, what happened that Anil came back home with the bundle of notes in his hand, and he got and at that night this thief has decided that I will steal those money and I will just flew away from this house. So that's the thing, and he has just made this decision. Now what will happen? Will he steal those money or not? We'll see in this part. So when he at that night when he approached to the Anil, what he was doing, what was the scenario, it is described here. So Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat upon the floor considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Okay, so what happened there when this thief Hari Singh wanted to steal those money. At that time Anil was asleep, and the beam of moonlight, beam that means a ray, so beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. So Anil's face was gleaming lightning with this moonlight. So moonlight was there on the face of Anil, and I sat up on the floor. So it was the night period. At the midnight, this thief sat up on the floor considering the situation. He knew the situation. So what he did, if I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So he wanted to catch this express to Lucknow so that he can flew with this money. So Anil won't be able to follow him back. So he has pre-planned everything, that I will steal those money and I will catch this train and I will went to Lucknow and I will go to Lucknow. So sleeping out of the blanket, so he just sleeping out of the blanket, he just crept up to the bed. Crept, that means move slowly and carefully in order to avoid being heard or noticed. So very silently he just crept up to the bed, and at that time Anil was sleeping very peacefully and his face was very clear and unlined. You won't find any single line over his on his face, and even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. So this thief has Hari Singh has more marks on his face, and even his face has so many scars are there. So Anil's face was quite clear compared to thief. You can see the picture how slowly he just came to this Anil. So my hand slid under the mattress. You can see that. My hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. So what happened when he went there? He just slid his hands under this mattress of the Anil and searching for obviously he was searching for the notes, and finally when he found that, he just started to draw them out. But what happened at that time, Anil just sighed and he just turned on his side. So now Anil's face was in front of this thief, and when this situation happened, he was completely startled, he was completely frightened. So he just quickly crawled out of the room. So he just came out of the room very quickly. So when I was on the road, I began to run. So he has money with him, right? So he after that he just was on the road. He just went to the road and he began to run. Obviously he has stole something. Maybe it may happen that Anil feels something, right? Even Anil's face was facing this thief, so he was very startled, he was very shocked. So he was just running in order to not to catch by Anil, right? So I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. So he had just held his those notes with the strings of the pajamas, right? And I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. So after some times he just slowed down the walk, he was running. So later on he just started walking and he just counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. So 600 rupees are there in 50s. So 50 rupees notes were there and total 600 rupees are there, and with those money he can live like oil rich Arab for a week or two, right? So he can live like this Arab, oil rich Arab, like a week or two. So he has that much money. So when I reached the station, it was ultimately plan was that 10:30 he is going to catch this express to reach Lucknow. So when I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. Okay, he did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, obviously. So why would he waste his time to buy a ticket? So but I dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out, so he knew that this train schedules. So he just went to the platform, and at that time Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated for some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. So when he reached the station, what happened? He never buy the ticket in his life. So he never went. So he didn't went to the ticket window to buy a ticket. But when he went to the platform, what happened? That Lucknow Express was departing, and still the speed was very slow. Was there, right? The speed is not that much. So it is just a pickup speed. So he could manage to, you know he could manage to catch the train somehow, but he didn't. Now why he didn't? He hesitates something, because there is something going on in his mind. There is some reason which he cannot explain. Now what is strange, what is sorry So there is something which is stopping him to go into this train. Now what was that? It is not clear to him, even to Hari Singh even. So he lost the chances to get away. So the train has been departed. So train wasn't there anymore. Now he was alone on now he hasn't any chance to catch the train. So when the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. So no one was there on that platform. He was totally alone. It was like a deserted, empty of the people. No one was there. I had no idea where to spend the night. Now he has no idea where to spend the night. Earlier he was used to live in the Anil's house and he used to sleep in the balcony of Anil. But now when even the train has gone, now he hasn't anywhere to go. So he has no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. Definitely he is a thief. That is the reason that friends were more trouble than help. So someday if another friend will get caught, definitely he will be in trouble. So friends are trouble friends are trouble for him. They are not for the help for him, right? So and I did not want to make anyone curious by standing at one of the small hotels near the station. And I did not want to make anyone curious by standing at one of the small hotels near the stations. So that is also this situation is also a bit curious. That someone will doubt on him that if I went outside, if I went into one of the small hotel at this time, so it will create the curiosity among the people, especially this hotel management. So they can check on this thief and then he will be caught. So he don't want to do that also. So the only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. So there is only one person that he knew really well, and that was who was that man? The man I had robbed. That means he is talking about Anil. So he knew only one person in this city, and that was Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So he just left the station because it was totally deserted. No one was there on the station. So he just walks very slowly through the bazaar. Bazaar, that means market. So in my short career as a thief, right, he has a very short career. He was barely 15. The thief Hari Singh was barely 15 when he met these fellow Anil. So he is talking about the past. When he was 15, he met this man. So it was very short career as a thief for him. I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. So he has studied the men's faces when they had lost the goods, when they have lost their money, lost their belongings, how they will react, how the expressions of them will look like. Okay, so this Hari Singh knew that very well. The greedy man showed fear. If the person is greedy man, then he will show the fear that, oh, I lost so many money, so much wealth. So he will show the fear. The rich man showed the anger. If he is the rich man, then they will be angry. The poor man showed acceptance. If the poor man is there, then he will accept the situation. Okay, fine, now what is lost, it will not gonna come back. So that is the expressions of the poor man, like the gods wish of the gods, like they consider it as a god, as their fate, right? So they will accept it. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. But now when he talks about Anil, so how his face would look like if he come to know that he has lost his money? You will find only a touch of sadness. He will become sad. You will find a touch of sadness on the Anil's face. not fear, not anger, not acceptance, nothing like that. He will become sad. Not for the loss of money. Why he will become a sad? Not just for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust, because he trusted Hari Singh. He has given even the key, house key, to him. So he will become sad because he has lost his trust. And I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. Maidan, that means a park. So he found himself, so he was thinking all these things, and when he came out of these things, his thought, where was he? He was on the park, and he sat down on that bench, and the night was chilly. It was a bit cold is there. It was chilly. It was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. So light drizzle was there. That means light rain falling in very fine drops. So there was a drizzle, and which added to my discomfort. So now he became discomfort because he has to rush somewhere. He was on the park, on the bench, and so he has to find some shelter. So soon it was raining quite heavily. So after this drizzling, the rain was quite heavily. The rain was falling quite heavily, and my shirt and pajama stuck to my skin. So he was completely drenched into the water of the rain, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So even the cold wind was there. So he was feeling a bit cold, right? He was completely drenched in the water of the rain, and there is cold even. So I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. So again he went to the back to the bazaar, and he just find the shelter. Where he find the shelter? Underneath this clock tower. So the clock showed midnight. So it was the period of the midnight, 12 o'clock, right? And I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. So now he felt the notes even, and the notes were completely damp from the rains. The money, 600 rupees, were with him, and they were completely damp. They were completely damp from the rain. Completely wet from the rain's water. So which was Anil's money. In the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. So now Anil got so much money. So what he used to do, wherever the check arrives at wherever the checks arrive, whenever this Anil got some money, he used to celebrate it. He didn't keep it with him. So he didn't save at all. He just spent. So in the morning, what he will do, Anil would probably have given this thief Hari Singh 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. So if these monies were with Anil's only, then what will happen? He will give this 2-3 rupees to this Hari Singh to go to the cinema. But right now the situation is that monies are with Hari Singh, and now these things won't happen. So I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or lean to write whole sentences anymore. So now he is not going to cook any meals for Anil. He will not going to bazaar or learn to write whole sentences anymore. So Anil is teaching him. Anil is educating him to write the sentences even. So now he is not going to do this kinds of activity. I had forgotten about them in the excitements of the theft. So he has forgotten all these things in the excitement of the theft. So it was the excitement for this little kid to steal something, to theft something. It is the excitement for him. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. Now he forgot one thing, that whole sentences, if I started learning these whole sentences, one day this his ability to write these things, it will give him more than few hundred rupees, right? It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. Now he comes to the realizations that I shouldn't do this, because Anil is teaching me something, Anil is educating me, Anil is teaching me to write the whole sentences, and he knew that if I am able to write something, I could do many things. It will give me so many money. It will bring so much money. And to steal something, it is a very simple matter. Anyone could do that. And sometimes just as simple to be caught. It's so simple. But to be really a big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. So he was, up till now he was a thief, and it was so simple to steal something, and sometimes it is also simple to be caught. But to be a real man, to be a clever and respected man, it is something else. No one was there to catch you out. No one was there to treat you bad. No one was there to insult you. So I should go back to Anil. Now he comes to the realization. He understood his mistakes. So he just wanted to go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn, read and write. Only one purpose was there. Why he wanted to go back to Anil? To read and to write. He wanted to read and write. So to do these things, he should go back to Anil. Now will he go back or not? It is again a question mark, because he is a thief. Can you change a thief? We'll see here. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed, and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. So he really came back to Anil. So he hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. Obviously he was very nervous, and it is very easier to steal something than to return it undetected. To steal something is very easy, but to return it without using it undetected, undiscovered, it's somewhat difficult, right? Anil shouldn't know that I have steal those money, because I'm retaining those money. But if he came to know that I have still, the Hari Singh has still, then there would be a problem for him. Then Anil won't let any person won't let him stay at the room, right? At anyone's place. So that is most difficult for him, undetected. I opened the door very quietly. So he opened the door and stood on the doorway in clouded moonlight. So the time still it was clouded moonlight was there, and Anil was still asleep. Anil was still sleeping at that time, and he just crept to the head of the bed, and my hand came up with the notes. So he was just went there and he just pulled out the notes, and I felt his breath on my hand. So when he was drawing out the monies from his from the strings of his pajamas, so at that time he could feel the breath of Anil. So for a minute he just remained very still. He remained motionless, and then finally he just found the edges of the mattress and he just slipped the monies under it. So I awoke late next morning to find, so that thing happens. So finally the money is uh, on the right positions. Now money is under the mattress of the Anil. So I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. So on the next morning he just find that Anil he awoke late. Consciously he awoke late next morning, and at that time when he saw Anil has already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. So when this Hari Singh get awoke, what happened? Anil stretched out his hands towards me. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. So Anil is giving 50 rupees to this thief. My heart sank. Now it is completely like uh, heart shaking moment for this thief, that what will happen now. Maybe Anil might have catch up his stealing, theft. So his heart completely sank. I thought I had been discovered. So he was thinking that finally Anil has discovered my theft. So that is the reason he has 50 rupees note. He was giving this 50 rupees notes to me, right? I made some money yesterday, he explained. So now he started talking with Hari Singh. I made some money yesterday. Now you will be paid regularly. Now this is the dialogue of Anil. So it is completely different than what Hari Singh has expected. He has expected that I might be discovered. Anil has came to know all these things, and I have to leave this place, or it may happen that Anil might put me in the jail, right? But it is totally contradictory situations. He was still telling him that I made money yesterday and now you will be paid regularly. So now he is ready to pay this Hari Singh given. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. So his spirits rose. He was completely surprised, shocked. And when this Hari Singh took the note, what happened? That note was still wet from the night's rain. So today we will start writing sentences, he said. Now he is as usual, nothing changed in the personality, in the character of Anil. He was as usual. So he was teaching him, like, look at the sentence. Today we'll start writing sentences. He knew. Now what is this inner thought of this Hari Singh? He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. Now this thief Hari Singh has inner conscience, and his inner conscience says that Anil knew all these things, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So now he smiled in his most appealing way. Last time when he smiles in this manner, he has a hidden intention, and that day it was totally artificial smile, but this time it was without any effort. It was totally natural, totally genuine. So that is what happened with Hari Singh when he met first time this person Anil, who has completely changed this this thief into a very civilized person. So I think I asked you one question earlier, that can this criminal can be changed? Yes, of course. With the story of this Ruskin Bond, we can say that we can change. We can at least change some people, few people, and it is not their choice. They don't have anyone. They don't have any other things. They haven't any guidance, and that might be the reason that they are doing all these things, social evils and all. And he was a child. Even Hari Singh was a child. He was barely 15 when he met this thing. So he was doing this thing. Eventually he was lucky enough that he has got the person named Anil who helped him to read and write. He was able to read and write, and maybe it is the Hari Singh's own efforts that he wanted to change. And I think it is most important than to be changed is most important thing than let's teach someone. Okay, so both efforts of both the people, Anil and Hari Singh, they made Hari Singh's from the criminal to a noble person, a civilized person. So that is what the story is. I hope you enjoyed this story. It's very beautiful. Read it, you will love it.